Something has just come in the mail, which means we can continue just where we left off. Let's go. Oh, damn, my arms are so weak, it's a joke. Here we are. All right. It's a dot and cross pattern paper, which hints at what we're going to be doing today, which is preparing the pattern for the design. Oh, it's rolling! So, for the purpose of this video, I decided to go with this design. It's a look consisting of two pieces, which is a top with an asymmetric sleeve. It's a voluminous bishop sleeve. And a flowing skirt, possibly cut from the bias and tied with a string. So let's get to work. First, I'm grabbing a couple of basic blocks from my pattern rack. Okay, these. Let's get to the table. Hop. I've decided to give the skirt 58 centimeters of length, and that's exactly where my paper ends. And how lucky is that? So we're done with general pattern making for now. This is the skirt piece, this is the front, this is the back, and this is the sleeve. It is finally time to work with our fabric now, and I will work directly on it instead of preparing a sample, which I usually do, not to lengthen the process too much and get right to it. Let's get to one of my favorite parts, which is cutting. I actually love cutting with scissors. I do not use the rotary cutter and the mat too much because there is something so incredible about the feeling of going through the fabric with the scissors. In the next part, we will take the pieces that we cut out and we will turn it into an actual garment. So I hope you stick around. I hope you subscribe to the channel not to miss out on this. And if you enjoyed this part, make sure you like the video and leave a comment. Let me know what you thought. And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!